The 2016 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, stability control, traction control, power steering, cruise control, power brakes, compass, child safety locks, power windows, clock. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.